In this video, we're going to look at rational and irrational numbers. So a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. So what sort of numbers are these? Well, first, obviously, are the fractions. So a half is a rational number. So is any top-heavy fraction or any mixed number, and they could be positive or negative. The next group that you may see them is whole numbers. Now, a whole number can be written as a fraction. So if we, for instance, have the number 5, we can put that 5 over 1, and it's instantly a fraction. So any whole number, positive or negative, is a rational number. Well, what about numbers when they're written out with a decimal expansion? Well, any terminating decimal is a fraction. So, for instance, 12.382, which then stops, that can be written as a fraction and is a rational number. And lastly, any recurring decimals. So, for instance, 0.6666, where these sixes go on forever. Well, we know that's 2/3. So that's obviously a rational number, or any other repeating pattern. So for instance, 0.235235 that keeps repeating 235. That's also a rational number. What numbers are not rational numbers? Well, anything that can't be written as a fraction, and we call those irrational numbers. And that is something that has a non-recurring, non-terminating decimal, i.e. it goes on forever and there's no pattern to it. One of the most famous irrational numbers is pi, which, as you can see there, the start of its decimal expansion, 3.141532654, goes on and there's no patterns. So pi is one of a number of irrational numbers.